It's your girl Key.
And I'm 10.
And we're back for another episode of 14th Avenue.
Live here at the Clubhouse.
Now let's talk fashion.
So, I don't know if you guys know, but festival season is upon us.
And festival season means festival fashion, which is one of my favorite fashion seasons because people show a little bit of skin, a little personality, lots of vibrant colors and sparkles. I just love what people do when they're at music festivals.
Yeah, also some of my best photo sets came from festival season last year.
Major facts, yes, they did. I was there. I took most of those pictures. You're welcome.
I appreciate you. But with that being said, is your closet ready?
My closet's not even ready because we have so many music festivals coming up within just the next couple of months, a couple of weeks.
Yeah.
What do you have? What are we looking forward to?
So, what's on the agenda? We have Coachella coming up.
Coachella, Beyonce's headlining.
Beyonce is headlining.
Which is major. So, if you're going to go see Beyonce and you're not serving looks, I don't know why you're going to go see Beyonce because that's embarrassing for
she's
yourself.
definitely going to have the looks for you.
Exactly. She's great live. Not what we're talking about on the show today, though. So, not what we're talking about.
Moving on. We have Coachella. We have Broccoli City Festival right here in the DMV.
Which will we be at? So, if you see us at Broccoli City, please speak. Make sure you're subscribed to our channel first before you speak. No, I'm joking. No, I'm not joking. Subscribe, but also speak. We're looking forward to it. Right. And what else do they have coming?
We have Roots Picnic coming up.
Governor's Ball's coming up.
Rolling Loud is coming up in Miami.
In other words, there are a lot of festivals coming up, and which means there's a lot of looks that we need to be serving at these festivals.
Right. So we are here to get you ready for festival season.
So we'll talk about 5 festival fashion trends that you should probably have in your closet or in your wardrobe as you're looking forward to going to these music festivals, right?
Sounds like a plan.
Sounds like a plan. I mean, this is what we do. We tell you guys what you guys should have in your closet.
Right.
That's the whole point of 14th Avenue. You're welcome. Okay. So what's the first trend, Tan?
Okay, vintage denim jackets with iron-on patches. I know that's kind of long.
It's kind of long.
But it's actually pretty simple.
Pretty simple.
So, what should you do first?
You pretty much can get a denim jacket from anywhere.
Yeah, anywhere.
Any department store ever existed. Urban Outfitters, JCPenney,
Amazon,
Macy's. I mean, you pretty much can buy a denim jacket anywhere.
Walmart.
Where it gets fun and where it gets a little fancy is the patches that you can add to it to kind of spice up your denim jacket. Where can you get those patches from, Tam?
So, I mean, if you're really just looking for patches, go to any arts and crafts store.
Yep.
Michael's, Hobby Lobby.
Yep.
But if you're looking for patches, iron-on patches for the low, Amazon. You can get just a whole bunch of, like, 24, 36.
And they're all different sizes.
Different colors.
And different colors. Right. Like different illustrations. Yeah. And you can just really play around with, like, where you add the patches. Or you can get buttons and pins.
Safety pins, right.
Safety pins.
You can get the iron-on letters.
Which is difficult.
Yeah. But
it's time consuming.
It's still fun. That's why I said let's have
But it's fun. We went to Coachella last year. We all had matching denim jackets that had our names and nicknames on it, and we called it Girls Tour. Yeah. And we were photographed by Huffington Post. Essence. We were on a lot of magazines and online blogs. Cosmo, because we just had those denim jackets that really helped us stand out. So that's a great way for you and your crew to stand out at the next music festival that you guys are planning to go to.
Right. So much fun.
Okay, so what's the next trend?
So for me, silk scarves. And what do you know? Our very own Key has on right now.
The trendsetter that I am.
So fun, right? So hippie. So Indio. So festival, right? And you can get any type of pattern you want. You can wear any type of way you want. You wear your hair any kind of way. Throw it on, let it complete an outfit, and you're good to go. And the good thing about these silk scarves is it's so dusty sometimes at those festivals. That can help keep some of that dust out of your hair. And so if you're going for a little bit more bougie look like I like to do, you can go a little bit high-end Gucci, Versace, Chanel. They have those scarves. Or if you're looking for more affordable scarves, Amazon has a great selection of scarves. Etsy has a great selection as well. They do. And they kind of give you that same like Versace, Chanel feel to it, but just for a better price. Or if you're looking to add a pop of color, you can do a pop of color scarf. It's just fun. Yeah, it's just a way to just add a little bit more to your outfit. A little flair. Yeah, and protect your hair from all the dust and sand. Yes, because it does. And strangers that will probably try to be in your face the whole time you're at the music festival because you're going to be looking so good. Yes. Okay, so moving on. Crochet, crochet, crochet. Everything crochet. I think crochet pieces are perfect for festival season because it's really airy. Yeah. They're super cute to wear. Super lightweight. But they're not the easiest to find, especially in your size. If you're bustier or you're a curvy cutie, you might have a struggle finding crochet pieces to wear. But you know what most people don't realize? What? These creatives, you know, these people who make these designs and these pieces are right on your Twitter app. They're right on your Instagram app. Right? So I have
we found some for you. Because like if you're like me, I'm a little bustier at the top. And it's hard for me to find cute little bralettes, especially like very delicate things like crochet bralettes that fit my size. And so finding creatives on Twitter that make them custom made is a lifesaver.
And another
a game changer for me.
Right. I'm really big on, I don't like to wear something everybody else has on.
Exactly.
I'm very big on just being different, and I just want like one of a kind. So we found some creatives who are really big on crochet, where you can go and pick up some of these pieces.
So name a few, Tam, just for our viewers.
So I have Crochet by Nay, right?
Okay.
She's on Twitter. Go find her, grab you some pieces. She has the cutest bikini tops, the cutest unitards where you can match with a cute pair of denim, right? Also, I have Asterisk the brand. This is on Instagram. Okay. And not only can you just get a basic crochet piece, she mixes and matches pieces and fabric. So you can get a denim jacket that has a crochet arm. Something super cute. Super unique. Check it out.
And the good thing about like a crochet bralette is you can just pair like a pair of shorts or a pair of jeans or a cute pair of like sequin leggings to wear to the festival, and it really changes your outfit game. It really changes
it. Just adds you a little extra texture and a little extra flair.
And not everyone's going to be wearing it because they're not going to get custom made like you.
Hello.
So you're going to be different.
We just gave y'all the hookup.
Gave you the hookup. Okay, so next up, 2-piece sets, also known as
coord sets. Coordinate your set.
This girl's a fool. Yes. So 2-piece sets are like a one-stop shopping experience where you can pretty much go on the website, find an outfit you like, the top and the bottom comes with it, and boom, you're done.
You're ready to go. So the thing I like about coordinate sets are like you can just mix and match them.
You can mix.
You can wear them together
if you want to. Yes.
You know, wear them together. Throw a layering piece on there just in case. It's completely up to you. Throw a platform heel on. Throw a Converse sneaker on. And
it's just super cute. And what I love is you can pretty much find them anywhere.
Anywhere.
Pretty Little Thing. Misguided.
Fashion Nova.
Everyone has them.
Yep.
For you to wear completely together.
Yeah.
As a set. In a coordination.
Coord set.
Yeah, so they're great pieces.
Yeah.
Your sister won more last year to Coachella.
Yes, she did. To Coachella.
Super cute.
Oh my gosh, she was on Essence.
Yes, and she got so many compliments on outfit. Yeah. They're really great for festival because they usually websites will have sections just for festival wear.
Yeah,
and you'll see a lot of 2-piece sets in those sections. Yep. So if you're looking for them, look for that. Yeah. I'm pretty sure those campaigns are now coming out now.
And they always have those collections.
Exactly.
So it's super easy. And also, if you're stressing about, you got a trip coming up, you're going
to last minute shopping, we all do.
2-piece sets are the way to go.
Exactly. So. Okay, and what is our last trend that they should have for their festival fashion?
This is actually one of my favorite trends right now.
Is it one of your favorites?
I like it. I think it's so cute for spring.
That's cute.
So let me tell them. Micro sunglasses. You know the little small sunglasses that are coming back in, the retro glasses. That
very 90s.
Very 90s.
Early 2000s vibes to it. We've seen a lot of celebrities like Rihanna wearing them. Just kind of like on her street style looks. Yep. And they're coming back in. And you need sunglasses for these music festivals. Right. It's so bright out here.
It's so bright.
You'll be blinded if you think that you don't need sunglasses. I wear actual glasses, and I still had to wear my sunglasses when I was in Coachella because it was just so bright. Yeah. And so to kind of combat that in a very fashionable way, you get the micro sunglasses.
Get the micro sunglasses. They're super cute. They come in all different styles, shapes, colors. You can get little triangles, the circle ones, the rectangle ones. You can get ones with a yellow tint, a red tint, a black tint. Like, it's just super, super cute. And the thing is, these are also easy to find too. Where can I get them, Key? You
can get them from Amazon Fashions is my go-to for pretty much anything. But you can get them from Amazon. You can get them from Sunglass Hut, Sorella Boutique, Fashion Nova even has them.
Forever 21.
I just bought a pair. Exactly. All of your favorite online are brick and mortar stores, they probably sell them because they're in style.
Yeah, they're in style right now.
Okay, so let's run back down this list one more time because we want to make sure that you guys are ready for your festival fashion. Go ahead, Tam.
So, number one, you need your vintage denim jacket with the iron-on patches.
Iron them on.
Yep.
Number two,
silk scarves.
Come on now.
All right.
Check it. Number three,
crochet pieces.
Show them titties, girl. Show them titties. Number four,
you need your coord sets or your
that's your 2-piece, and it's gonna match. But it needs to coordinate.
Yep.
And number five,
micro sunglasses.
And where can you get them? Forever.
Yep.
ASOS, Sorella, Fashion Nova, Amazon.
You're good to
go. So now you are ready for your festival fashion. You know what? When you go to your festival, we want to see how you looking. Yes. So make sure you comment below. Tell us where you're going. Yep. Give us your social media page so we can follow you. Yeah. Follow
and tell us what you think about today's video. If you have anything else, what are some other festival season looks that we may be forgetting? Just comment below.
Because remember, we're here to help you dress and you're here to help us dress, right? Always at 14th Avenue.
See you next time.
See you next time.